Now that you have your ICD-10 codes in place in your dataset, you can begin to use them in your encounter. You can open up the encounter, bring in the service for today's visit, and manage the diagnosis codes from the DX button. On the Edit Patient Encounter or the Edit Encounter Service button, on the Billing Details tab, you can bring in the diagnosis codes for this service. And when you click in the box, you'll first be offered the diagnosis code history. If the history includes ICD-9 codes, you'll see a warning about those codes, telling you those codes are inactive. And you'll also see a box offering you the ability to search ICD-10data.com for relevant ICD-9 options for anxiety states in this circumstance. Otherwise, you can just start searching into the box, and once you type in a couple of characters, you'll see that the options in your shortlist are first offered to you, and those you can see actually references from ICD-10data.com as well, to just click on to bring up. And you can also see the ICD-10 reference data coming in here from our database, and you'll see all of the options that include, of course, whatever has your search term. There will be 20 options provided for you at first, and then of course if you can't find them, you can just continue to filter your search criteria even more by adding more to it, and you'll get more options here. And then of course once you have found an option that you like, the system will offer to add that code to your system and together if you want, so you can keep that as a code in the future. And if you click yes to that, you can click review it and adjust the description if you'd like to for your own sake, and then of course add that diagnosis code to the system. And then that will come up in future circumstance. Of course, you can do that for each of the diagnosis codes in place, and then when you're done, you can hit Edit Encounter Service, and you have, of course, this particular code associated with the new ICD-10 code appropriately. Good luck using ICD-10 with OfficePro.